Ever felt like your customer data is trapped inside Lightspeed? Like a precious resource you can't quite access? You're not alone. Many Lightspeed users find themselves wondering, how do I export my customers from Lightspeed? It's a valid question, especially when you want to leverage that data for email marketing, loyalty programs, or even just a good old-fashioned backup. Maybe you're switching platforms, or perhaps you want to analyze your customer demographics in a spreadsheet. Whatever the reason, knowing how to export your customer data is crucial. In this video, we're going to demystify the process. We'll walk you through the different export options available in Lightspeed, highlighting the pros and cons of each, so you can choose the method that best suits your needs. We'll cover everything from the basic CSV export to more advanced techniques, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to get your valuable customer data out of Lightspeed and into your hands. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why exporting your customer data is so important. Think of your customer list as the lifeblood of your business. It's not just a collection of names and email addresses. It's a goldmine of information about your customers' preferences, purchase history, and engagement with your brand. This data can be incredibly powerful when used strategically. Imagine being able to personalize your marketing campaigns based on your customers' past purchases. Or perhaps you want to identify your most loyal customers and reward them with exclusive offers. Maybe you're looking to understand which demographics are most likely to buy your products. All of this is possible when you have access to your customer data. However, if that data is locked away inside Lightspeed, its potential remains untapped. That's where exporting comes in. By exporting your customer data, you unlock the ability to analyze, segment, and utilize this information to improve your marketing efforts, enhance customer relationships, and ultimately, grow your business. So, how do you actually export this data? Lightspeed offers a couple of different methods, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The most common and straightforward method is exporting to a CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values. This is a widely compatible format that can be opened in most spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. To export your customers to a CSV file, you'll first need to log in to your Lightspeed account. Once you're in, navigate to the Reports section. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to generate various reports, including your customer list. Within the Reports section, you should look for an option related to Customers or Customer List. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your version of Lightspeed, but it should be relatively easy to find. Once you've located the customer report, you'll typically have the option to customize the data you want to export. You can choose which fields to include in your export, such as customer name, email address, phone number, purchase history, and any other relevant information you've collected. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to tailor the export to your specific needs. Do you only need basic contact information? Or are you looking for more detailed data about their purchase behavior? The choice is yours. After selecting the desired fields, you should see an option to export the report. Choose the CSV format, and Lightspeed will generate a file containing your customer data. You can then download this file to your computer. It's usually a good idea to save it in a safe and easily accessible location. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this CSV export method. The biggest advantage is its simplicity. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow, even without technical expertise. The CSV format is also widely compatible, meaning you can easily import it into other applications. However, there are some limitations. The CSV export might not include all of the data you've collected about your customers, depending on your Lightspeed settings and plan. Also, if you have a very large customer database, the CSV file can become quite large, which might make it a bit cumbersome to work with. Beyond the basic CSV export, Lightspeed might offer other export options, depending on your specific version and subscription. These might include integrations with other platforms or more advanced reporting features. If you're looking for something beyond the standard CSV export, it's worth exploring the documentation or contacting Lightspeed support to see what other possibilities are available. Another important consideration is data privacy. When exporting customer data, it's crucial to comply with all relevant data privacy regulations, such as GDPR or CCPA. Make sure you understand the regulations that apply to your business and handle your customer data responsibly. This includes securely storing the exported data and only using it for legitimate purposes. Now, let's say you've exported your customer data to a CSV file. What can you do with it? The possibilities are endless. You can import it into your email marketing platform to create targeted campaigns. You can use it to analyze your customer demographics and identify trends. You can even use it to create a backup of your customer data, ensuring you have a copy in case of any issues with your Lightspeed account. One common use case is importing the data into a CRM or customer relationship management system. A CRM can help you manage your customer interactions more effectively and personalize your communication. By importing your Lightspeed customer data into a CRM, you can centralize all of your customer information in one place and gain a deeper understanding of your customer base. Another popular use case is using the exported data for reporting and analytics. By analyzing your customer data, you can identify your most valuable customers, understand their purchasing habits, and make data-driven decisions about your marketing strategy. You can use spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets to perform these analyses. So, to recap, exporting your customer data from Lightspeed is a crucial step in unlocking the potential of that information. The most common method is exporting to a CSV file, which can be done through the Reports section of your Lightspeed account. Remember to choose the fields you want to include in your export and comply with all relevant data privacy regulations. Once you have your exported data, you can use it for a variety of purposes, including email marketing, CRM integration, and data analysis. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.